Hi, my name is Margaret McGee. My husband Terry and I own T&M Laundry and Store in Winsboro, Louisiana. We provide large capacity washers and dryers to Franklin Parish and the surrounding area citizens. God gave us a vision 2 years ago to purchase this facility, and we expanded and upgraded it from being just a laundromat to a laundry and store. My husband and I worked together to renovate it and start the business. The local bank told us about the Small Business Development Center, and we knew we had to contact them to reach our ultimate goal of running a successful business. The Small Business Development Center provided great services. Anytime we called, they took the time out to help us and answer any questions. They never turned us down, and they pushed us. Without God and the Small Business Development Center, we would not have made it. We just want to thank the community and the customers for supporting us and shopping local.